sounds before.
No.
You can't go ooh, 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 ooh. Can you go bark, bark?
No.
I see how it is.
I do monkey.
Can you do a monkey for me?
Ooh, ah,
Ooh, ah, 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 ah.
ouch. Ouch.
Ouch. Did the monkey get hurt? I'm sorry, monkey.
No, I did.
Can you quack like a duck?
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
We did do him.
Oh, don't put that on the floor, Tyler. Can you meow like a cat?
What's this?
That's candy. That's Auntie Jenna's. Let's not touch that.
Gus! Stop it.
Can you make any other animal sounds? Do the monkey again, Tyler. That's not a monkey. Woof, woof. Tyler, can you growl like a monster? Yeah, like that. Grrr. Ew, he just licked the camera.
He did what?
Want to see yourself? Oh, wait, no, you can't do that. I can't flip it. He licked my camera. Stop licking the camera, bro.